what to do about alcohol when you're drinking for the holidays or even just for cocktails at the end of the day. Alcohol has a very negative effect on our bodies. I don't know about you, but the older I get, the worse it is and the longer the recovery time. So there are some tips and tricks to taking care of yourself so that you can enjoy, but then also not have that long recovery time. So I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite supplements that I recommend to anybody who wants to drink alcohol and also be healthy. Of course, the best thing is to just eliminate the alcohol. But let's be honest, when holidays are around or parties, it's still nice to be able to have a glass of wine and maybe more. So, okay. There are 3 different supplements. One of them is Parotid PMG, right here. We have GI Absorb, and we have Livco, right there. Okay, so the 2 main ones I would recommend having no matter what are GI Absorb and Livco. If GI Absorb ends up being too strong for you, Parotid PMG would be your next go-to. So these 2, the GI Absorb and the Parotid PMG, are going to help you get the toxins out of your body. So especially in the US, if you're not drinking some of those keto style wines that have less alcohol content in them, if you're getting American made wines, there's going to be glyphosate or Roundup in there. There's going to be all sorts of poisons in there. And frankly, I think a lot of times those hangovers are from the toxins. If this is too strong for you, then I would take the Parotid. That is just going to help detoxify your body. You'll want to take that away from food though for it to work. GI Absorb is going to really pull those toxins out of your body, and it can help your bowel movement. So a lot of times people, if they drink too much, they have loose stools. So this can help you with that, taking 2 or 3 at the end of drinking. I have had it reported to me that if you take it with drinking, it is so effective at pulling toxins out that you don't even feel that you drank anything. So why even bother? So you would take this at the end of the night, 2, 3, I think is the most probably. If you need to take more, you can take more. So check the ingredients, make sure it's not going to interact with anything. Do not take this if you're taking medications. It needs to be an hour away from any medications that you're taking because it will pull the medications out as well. It needs to be taken away from other nutritional supplements because it'll pull that out as well. It's just going to pull all those things out of your body that are in your stomach or your digestive system. So this is really, really great for helping you. If you're on a cruise, whatever it is, wherever you're indulging. Also helps with food poisoning. So if you do eat something that is likely to make you sick, this is really great to take with you on vacation. So this, Parotid PMG, are 2 that I take with me no matter where I go on a trip. Now, Livco is the other one. So this one is going to actually help repair your liver. So your liver gets bombarded, and if you're going to be drinking alcohol, so you want to make sure that you take the Livco because the toxins are going to come out with the other 2, but this one's going to actually help repair your liver and help prevent the hangover. So I would recommend taking one before you go out, one while you're out, and one towards the end of the night, but an hour before you take the GI Absorb. So those are going to help create a wonderful evening for you when you're going out and indulging in alcohol. Great for girls' weekends, anything where there's alcohol involved. So these are designed to help support your body. So it's not just about getting rid of the symptoms. It's also to help strengthen your body even while you're bombarding it with things that really aren't so good for it. So let me know if you use this, and there's a link below where you can order them easily. Let me know how it goes. These are designed to repair your body, not just get rid of the symptoms, but to actually help repair your body as you're bombarding it with things that are not so good for it. So let me know how it goes, and I'll see you next time.